For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a mobile mechanic business can be a highly rewarding venture, with lower overhead than a traditional repair shop and the growing demand for convenience. You can create a profitable business by offering car repair services at people's homes or workplaces. Fortunately, with the rise of free AI tools, you can automate many startup tasks and launch faster and smarter. Below is a step-by-step guide that integrates free AI tools to help you build your business efficiently and strategically. Step 1. Define your business model and services. Start by deciding what kind of mechanical services you'll offer. Common options include oil changes, brake replacements, diagnostics, battery changes, tune-ups, and emergency roadside repairs. Determine your working radius, types of vehicles you'll service, and whether you'll operate solo or hire others. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and define your service offerings. Prompt: help me define the services I can offer in a mobile mechanic business for both individual car owners and fleet clients. Suggest profitable and in-demand services. Use Notion AI or ChatGPT to organize these ideas into a simple service matrix, showing what you offer, tools required, and estimated service time. Step 2. Create a business plan using AI. A clear business plan is essential to clarify your goals and ensure financial viability. It should include your mission, services, market analysis, operations plan, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Use ChatGPT or BizPlanner AI, a free AI-based business plan builder, to generate a business plan outline. Prompt: act as a startup advisor. Write a business plan for a mobile mechanic business operating in your city, targeting car owners and small fleet businesses. Include startup costs, revenue projections, and competitive analysis. Google Docs with AI extensions like Compose AI can help polish and structure the final document. Step 3. Research legal requirements and get certified. Research local, state, and federal requirements. You may need a business license, liability insurance, a mobile vendor permit, and possibly ASE certification depending on your area. ChatGPT can assist you with a checklist. Prompt: list the licenses, permits, and certifications required to start a mobile mechanic business in your city/state, including insurance and environmental regulations. You can also use a free AI-powered legal bot like Do Not Pay to assist with basic business registration and legal forms. Step 4. Name your business and build a brand. Choose a name that reflects reliability, mobility, and professionalism. Once you've shortlisted ideas, check domain availability and trademarks. Use Namelix, a free AI business name generator, to create catchy names. Prompt example in Namelix: generate brandable business names for a mobile mechanic startup that targets busy car owners. Use Canva's AI tools to design a logo, social media banners, and even vehicle decals. Canva's Magic Design can generate full branding kits in seconds based on your business name. Step 5. Set up online presence and booking system. A professional online presence helps build trust. You'll need a mobile-friendly website, Google Business Profile, and possibly social media accounts for visibility and client engagement. Use Wix or System.io's AI website builder to create a simple, free website. Prompt in Wix: create a one-page site for a mobile mechanic business offering at-home car repair with a booking form and service list. Set up a free Calendly account for bookings or integrate Google Calendar. ChatGPT can help you write your service descriptions and website copy. Prompt: write an engaging homepage introduction for a mobile mechanic business in location, emphasizing convenience and reliability. Step 6. Plan your marketing strategy with AI. Attracting your first customers is critical. Focus on local SEO, reviews, and social media to build credibility and traffic. Use ChatGPT to create a marketing strategy. Prompt: write a 30-day marketing plan for a new mobile mechanic business targeting car owners in your city, including online and offline tactics. For content, use Canva AI to create promotional graphics and short videos. Use ChatGPT to draft Facebook and Instagram ad copy. Prompt: write a persuasive Instagram caption for a mobile mechanic offering a 10% discount to new customers. Leverage Google Bard or ChatGPT to generate local SEO blog posts. Prompt: write a 500-word blog post titled Top 5 Signs Your Car Needs Mobile Repair Optimized for Local SEO in City. Step 7. Price your services and estimate costs. Figure out competitive pricing based on your costs, tools, travel time, and competitors. You'll also need a tool list with costs to estimate your startup budget. Use ChatGPT to help calculate pricing. Prompt: help me create a pricing sheet for a mobile mechanic business, including common services like oil changes, battery replacement, and diagnostics. Include labor and travel time. You can also ask, estimate the startup cost for a mobile mechanic business operating in location, using basic tools, a service vehicle, and marketing materials. Step 8. Acquire tools and equipment strategically. Make a list of essential tools like a jack, diagnostic scanner, socket set, impact wrench, and portable battery charger. If you have a tight budget, consider buying used tools or leasing. Use ChatGPT or Claude.ai to build your checklist. Prompt: list all the tools and supplies needed to start a mobile mechanic business, including prices and alternatives for a budget under $3,000. Track your inventory with free tools like Notion AI or Trello. Step 9. Find your first customers and collect reviews. Launch with an offer to attract early customers, perhaps free diagnostics or 15% off first service. Ask for Google reviews after every job. Use ChatGPT to write your outreach messages. Prompt: write a message I can send to friends and local Facebook groups announcing my mobile mechanic business and offering a limited time discount. Use Copy.ai or MailChimp's free AI-powered email builder to send professional messages to leads and referral contacts. Conclusion: starting a mobile mechanic business no longer requires a large investment or technical team, thanks to free AI tools. You can use these resources to streamline planning, automate marketing, handle admin tasks, and grow your client base effectively. By following these 10 steps and leveraging AI at each stage, you'll be able to start your business with confidence, professionalism, and speed. With the demand for convenience-based auto repair on the rise, your mobile mechanic venture has the potential to thrive in today's fast-paced world. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.